Yeah, family, we are going to go grab some flowers. We are at Home Depot. Yep. Look at all this beauty. Oh, the garden, yeah. Oh my God, these flowers are beautiful. Look at all of this beauty. Oh, this is the one you want to get?
Yeah, I want to get these.
Okay.
Is
Okay. These ones are huge. Guys, we are here at Home Depot to get pumpkins.
Here you go.
Yeah.
This is the Home Depot.
Home Depot. Oh, this is huge. So this is basically where you can get all your household items. Yeah. It tells you ceiling light. Oh, that is huge. Yeah, lawnmowers. Right up there. Cleaning products. Okay. Oh, this paint department. Okay. Oh, yeah, for the floors. Oh, okay. Ooh. Ceramic tile. Oh, look at this one. These are cute. This one right here.
Now, on the other side, you have the marble.
And the flooring.
And then the wood.
The wood floors.
Okay.
Wow. See how huge appliances, guys. This place is massive. We got something similar like this, but not this big,
There's lighting.
in Johannesburg. See that chandeliers. Chandeliers and all.
There's lighting.
Oh, and they're so cute.
Those are your appliances. Did you get the appliances?
Yeah, I got the appliances. Yeah,
Then down here is
washer, dryers. Yeah.
refrigerators.
All time. We got something similar like this in Johannesburg.
Now there's a smart refrigerator.
Yeah, just like what we have at home.
And then over here, there's another, same.
Yeah, the same thing. Cookers, hi. Oven, stoves, yeah. Okay. Oh, now Christmas stuff's out.
It gets in here and that's just
It's huge.
you got the car keys. No, he does. Oh, see.
Toilet,
With the windows down.
bath.
From,
Have a good day.
What?
I didn't see the faucets.
The faucets.
Where are the faucets?
I
Ah, here, faucet. You want to get some faucets?
No, that's what you're saying.
Oh.
Because there's such a variety of them.
Yeah, variety, and they are beautiful. They are cute.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I see them.
Mhm.
Yeah.
We could go.
All the way. All times.
I got you. It's fine.
Because it definitely has to be the.
Yeah, the big kitchen ones.
This is the one that
This is the one we have at
the
home.
one we got here.
Yeah,
That one right there.
$279.
And we have those over here. Shower heads.
Shower heads, all times. See that? It's a lot.
We have all the different tools.
This is definitely not for me.
This for Bruno.
This is for Bruno. I know nothing in this section. Handyman. Okay, if you want it, okay.